aware of the one in Montego Bay, but it's not. I am concerned with anybody in Jamaica scale. And I have particular concern in St. James Day, because I've been pretty quiet for the last 3 months, I'd say. In fact, since the peak in May, St. James police have been doing excellent work in holding the element of homicide down. We have some other issues like traffic and public disorder to deal with, but they have focused heavily on the homicide, and it has worked. But last night, killing is opening up the potential of a gang conflict, which we are aware of, and I've asked, and I know the police is going to take every step to prevent the kind of retaliation and war that could break up between two gangs in Montego Bay. They will move aggressively and hard to, as I said, disrupt and all that. I think this TikToker is related to someone who is considered a leader in the underworld in Montego Bay. It's just purely coincidental. You know, Jamaicans enjoy the social media space. We are talkers, and therefore we enjoy social media, and a lot of Jamaicans on social media. So I don't think there's any systematic attempt to silence any member of it from any angle at all. But in this case, I said, he is related to, indirectly to elements that are currently in conflict in the community. And we are taking steps to manage that, effectively manage that, and deal with the problem. My guidance to police move as strong as they think is necessary, and I give them the support that is required.